when I'm teaching a principles of effective interaction course, or workshop, and I'm having people, I think I told you this, I'll have people don't be themselves. I'll have them playing games and don't be somebody else, anybody else. Just choose somebody. Or I'd choose, we do all that, be like a different animal, be like a different geometry, weather, I don't care, you know what I'm saying? Just take something on, right? See, and be that way. See? And then sometimes, be, who do you think can do this really good? Then, be like them. And it's not uncommon they would choose Ralston, right? See? And he could do it, and they would be like me, and they would do better. I kid you not. I'm watching. They're much more effective, much more effective. Who are you trying to be? You? Oh, good. You were much more effective. See, you were doing much more effective. And then the moment we stop the game, they go back to doing it their way. And I said, now what's the logic here? See, I mean, seriously, what's the logic? See, you just experienced that this works better, but that's you. I can't do you. I got to do me. Why? That was never my goal. Like I told you, when I studied with teachers, I tried to be them. If they could do it, see, if they were good. If they weren't any good, I wouldn't try to be like them. If they were good, and if they weren't any good, I wouldn't study with them very long. But you see, like, oh, you can do something I can't do. Great. I want to do what you do. I don't want to do what I do. I can only do what I do. I want to do what you do. And much, much faster learning. Much, much faster doing that. But people usually don't think about that. And that's kind of like we were talking about with the, that powerful learning. That I used the violin as an example. See? It's like, can you get that experience, and can you grasp, like, listening to them, watching them, all the distinctions you need to do what they're doing. See? And then go ahead and do it. And chances, of course, are that you're not going to be able to reproduce it the first time. See? But you give it a shot, you see? And then and when you don't reproduce it, you go, I must have missed something, right? Because my violin does not sound like theirs, okay? See? Then you go back to the drawing board and say, what did I miss? And you concentrate even harder, and you grasp more subtle things. Now you have some feedback because you tried the violin, and you feel what it feels like and stuff like that. And you say, oh, I feel a little differently than I was imagining when I was watching his fingers on the strings, you see? Like, oh, okay, now I'm seeing, okay, I'm feeling a little different feeling, see? More distinctions, etc. And then you get a little better, say much, much faster. Pretty soon you're a master violinist.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.